Hey
Hey
guys,
guys,
we're
we are
back again
back
with another video, and this time it is Subin dancing in
in
the
the dark
dark. Let's get
back
going with the official
Nolan
music
back Nolan
video.
album song.
Official MB
Let's go guys, we are
music
excited.
video. In the very beginning, I used to think what is MV, and then I got to know it is music video.
What?
Oh man! Wow, what a creativity!
Yeah, with
It's
the
like
light.
with the light and the beams are coming in
It's
through,
more
and then
like
it's like it's like a piano. It's like a
yeah,
piano. And
but it sounds not like piano. Let's play.
there is no sound, of course. It's just creativity to make think like
Yeah,
it is a piano.
it's creative.
It's creative. Look, wow. Oh wow, the way they made this amazing, man. Oh man,
So
what a
smooth,
creativity!
so
What a
slow.
creativity!
Wow.
Oh, are those water like puddles?
I don't know what.
Oh,
It's flashy images. I think
back
it's
then I
studio.
was
It's some kind of
confused
studio.
about one thing, that whether or not you really loved me.
It's a sad song about the
Yeah, but then
after breakup.
everything remains here. Thank you for not
Quivering.
quivering. Sometimes I forget that
We are like weather,
like
sun, and
the sun and
rain.
rain.
We are also have to parents. Also, I have to say one thing. He
Yeah,
is so good at singing, and also I have to appreciate the VFX that is
yeah,
done
yeah,
with the
yeah,
girl. Look at that; it's so bright,
yeah.
and
Also,
though
the fact that she is kind of spreading light, so he
yeah,
would get a lot of lights as well,
yes, well,
as
and
reflections,
the
so he is
whole
getting it.
scenario is lot darker and moody tone, and also it's black and white, guys.
Black and white,
Black and
guys.
white
It's
makes
like it's literally like
classic movies,
yeah, and
and
the
it makes artist it's a artistic choice, I think,
yeah,
and
yeah,
also
yeah.
it's make it
And
so good.
also, in my opinion, it's the horror movie where the caretaker told them not to enter this, but even though
Guys,
they have been warned, they still did enter that. The thing with the I don't know what the pillars basement, I don't know,
every
underground underground places. And
every Indian movie's script. Every
not
horror movie,
Indian.
Indian
It's
horror movie,
every horror
every horror
movie.
movie script
Every
classic.
horror movie is like this only. Like there is the one family who has two children or three children, I don't know, and they are looking for a house honestly, and then they find a house very like it's a very big mansion or villa, and then they get it on very low price, and they're like, wow, it's a steal. And the people around that, there is no people around the mansion or villa, and they're like, wow, it's a steal. And then someone warned them, don't go there, it's
Yeah,
not a nice place, it's a haunted place, and still they're like, no, let's go, it's a steal. And then they go in there, and those kids are getting nightmares and everything.
yeah.
Things are not even there, a lot of things, like weird things are happening, and still they are like, no, you are misunderstanding, it's a steal. And then a lot of more weirder things are coming up, and
Yeah.
then also they are like, no, it's a steal. And then the plot is ending with exorcisms and
Yeah.
everything, other like
Let's play
holy
the
things
video.
and everything. It's
They're
kind of
going,
it's
yes.
funny. It's funny, guys. Oh, oh, wow! Very nice. Very nicely done. Very nicely edited. Oh wow!
Dude, this is another level.
Yeah, this is really nice. You're dancing in the dark.
There is no VFX or anything. It's just natural light.
Yeah,
No, it's light,
no,
but
not natural.
not natural light.
Made
I have
up
to say.
light, like this.
Made up light,
Like this
but
one. Like
I
this
know,
one.
I know, but made up light, but this, this is making more dramatic. You know,
Yeah, of
the
course it
black
is
and
making dramatic. Like black and white is kind of gives you the liberty to think about the colors that it could have been.
Yeah.
And so you think about it, you keep imagining, and it makes it more mysterious, you know.
Yeah.
Like, because it's monochromatic. Oh, she's not bright right now. Back there. Oh.
Wow. It's their past.
Yeah.
I think they used to love each other. These kind of couples are broke up because of this so much love and so much. What can I say about it? It's more
Like,
like
how long can you, like, it's okay, I get it, there is love and everything, I get it.
Yeah.
But how long can you keep staring at this face, like,
yeah, it's more like
the
they're
face is
trying
here,
to be
they're just
romantic
here,
and
here,
all.
here. How long can you be romantic? You have to be friends, you have to keep talking about things, you have to do other things.
Other
Just
thing in your life, I
just
think.
being romantic is not enough. Just be like, think about it. Just
Actually,
think about
they
it. It would make the whole purpose go away.
people try to be
Whole day you are being romantic. Whole day, from the morning to the till the moment you are going to sleep, you are being romantic. Like, you are in my face, all over my view. You're I'm not able to go anywhere, right? I'm not
Yeah.
able to think anything else. So it is blocking my things. And so it would create a, you know,
Yeah.
mixed feelings, that it's not what I wanted. I wanted romantic, but not always. It's okay, let's talk. Sometimes we just want to talk. Sometimes we
Yeah.
just want to play around. Like, we want to fight as well sometimes. It's
Yeah.
normal. So doing this the whole day is not okay. Just in case, reminding you guys.
This is sweet. I know. Look how they're dancing. It's good.
Dancing in the dirt.
In movies, it looks good. In real life,
It looks weird as weird AF.
so reality
AF.
in reality is different. I think.
You know those TikTok guys where two couple tries to do some weird stunts, like one couple tries to do weird stunts like this and that. In those TikTok videos, it looks really easy, really simple, and really amazing. Like, wow! But when you try to do it, it fails miserably. Trust me, it will, and that is the thing. Like, it's not real.
Yeah.
In the dark, dark, dark. Oh, just think, just think.
Wow, it looks like royal.
Yeah,
They're having a royal wedding.
yeah.
Wow, so sweet. Why they broke up?
How am I supposed to know? Maybe they didn't? She just died, or he just died. I don't know. It appears like that. Oh no, they didn't die. It was there. It is there. Or is it? It kind of looks like a chapel. They're
Yeah,
standing to
let's play
get
now, let's play
married. I
Okay,
am
I
playing. This
think-
is the end.
Okay.
What am I supposed to do? Give you
I don't
another
know,
piece?
Is this some kind of? I don't know, man. How it
There is
started,
nothing saying to
how
be
it
continued.
started and how it's end. It feels like when they started.
We are in the dark.
It's confusing, guys,
But
because
yeah, the
the
song
first
was
they are
good.
starting with
No,
the
no,
sad
the
note.
song was good. The singing was really amazing.
Yeah.
But honestly, in my opinion, the editing was amazing, amazing.
Yeah,
editing.
yeah. Cinematography
Like,
also
cinematography
good
was really
because
good.
there is no what can I say about it? There is no artificial element.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
more
yeah.
natural, you know.
I liked it.
I liked it.
But What was the story?
Guys, comment down
Because
below what is the story.
we are in the dark.
We-
Come on, we're
because
not
we are so
dancing.
full, so we don't know actually.
We're not dancing in the dark, so we
So-
are in the dark. So
Please comment down below.
enlighten, please. So thank you so much, guys. If you're still watching, do like, do share, and also do comment down below what you think about it. And we will see you in the next video. Until then, you can watch the other videos in the channel. Until then, bye bye.